Sino Silk as a leading custom and whole silk products factory located in Hangzhou, China. It was founded on 2009, specialized in custom printed or embroidered silk scarves, pillowcases, sleep masks, fabrics, scrunchies, headbands, face masks, bonnet, ties, pajamas, and robes, and has serviced thousands of customers around world. Cooperative brands cover clothing, cosmetics, jewelry, watches, museums, schools, salons, designers, and etc. Continuously get reorders with competitive price, good quality, service, and new technique like double sides digital printing. For Sino Silk, silk products manufacturing is pure indulgence. Silk is not just a piece of fabric. In fact, it is the most exquisite work of art that we create. But silk should not mean to be expensive. We advocate to make everyone can enjoy the beauty and comfort of silk at affordable price and durable quality. All silk products manufactured in Sino Silk comply with all norms of the European standards and other major independent testing agencies. Available testing reports can be provided for reference, such as Oeko Standard, SGS, and Intertech, which means all silk products made by Sino Silk are 100% safe. Sino Silk insists to have employees fairly paid, to produce eco-friendly and efficiently, to improve technique and reduce wastage, to help people in need because we believe that social responsibility, environmental accountability, and responsibility are of utmost importance to nurture a positive work culture and sustain growth.